Myers, Florida. Officer Perry pulls over a military spouse who believes a military ID is all she needs to drive legally. She's wrong, and that mistake will cost her. Viewer advisory, body camera footage, physical arrest, educational analysis only.
And then pulls it over.
Hello, Officer Perry, MKPD. The reason I pulled you over is because you're cutting through this.
Good morning. So is everybody else. There's one right behind you. There was one right here that just turned, but you got me, so good morning.
All right. Well, actually, I've been sitting here the whole time doing traffic crash.
Okay, well, there's literally one right behind you, but yeah. And then there's one that just cut right in front of me, too, so that's okay. It's okay. You got me.
You know what? I don't know what you're talking about.
Of course. Okay.
Because I've been sitting here the whole time.
Okay, that's fine.
All right. And there's no need to
one
argue.
Right behind us. But yes, good morning. Okay.
Do you have your registration and insurance?
That's,
And if you happen to be talking about the Jeep and the Hyundai, that was a traffic crash that I was taking care of.
No, it wasn't that. It was
Okay,
literally another car right behind us, but it doesn't matter.
No, I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not arguing.
Do you have the registration? That's not driver's license.
That's what I have on me right now. I'm sorry.
It'll be 42892
Right.
Bravo.
Your husband
Delta,
works
Alpha,
for the U.S.
Delta.
Defense, or
Yes.
you work
1500
for
Parkway. He's on a blue Kia.
Okay. I'm going to tell you right now, you should know better then.
I know. We just moved here, so I just came straight from the base. That's all I use. I know that's not an excuse, but that's what I have right now on me, and I just switched my bag, so that's why.
Okay, not having a driver's license makes me believe that you don't have a valid driver's license.
Okay. I mean,
You're from another state too? Or
Yes.
is this a rental?
no, this is my car. I'm showing you. Literally, that's what I have. Like, you can, you
Well,
want my
you don't need to
Costco
show me all
card?
that.
I'm just letting you know.
I mean, there's no need to be a smart mouth because I'm going to tell you what, that's going to talk your way into a ticket, okay?
I'm just letting you know that's what I
Yeah, but there's
have.
no reason to be smart with me.
I'm not trying
Because right
to.
now you're looking at 2 tickets.
Okay, well, I'm not trying to. You're making it feel like I'm purposely not giving you my driver's license and I don't.
No, I didn't say that. I'm telling you, you should know better because your husband works
No,
for
I
the defense.
understand, but you're making me feel.
Okay,
I'm
you're
just
arguing
letting
with
you
me.
know how
What's your address, please? 04 it is. You live down here, right?
Yes. You're good on this?
I'll get that in a second. What's your date of birth?
019.
What's your insurance provider?
USA Bank.
The stop is valid. Cutting through a parking lot is a traffic violation under Florida law. Officer Perry had full authority to initiate it. Florida Statute, Section 322.031, exempts military spouses from needing a Florida license, but only if 2 conditions are met simultaneously: a valid military ID and a valid out-of-state driver's license. The statute is conjunctive, both, not either. Her Texas license expired in 2022. She had the ID. She did not have a valid license. The exemption did not apply.
26. Can you put the license number in there for me? Alright. Do you want to go ahead and turn the vehicle off and step outside for me, please?
Can I ask why?
Well, right now you don't have a driver's license, alright? And I need to, once you step out here, that's why, alright? Seatbelt off.
But I would
Turn
like
the
to know
vehicle off.
why I have to step out just because I don't have a license.
Because I'm going to read you your rights and I'm going to talk to you. I'm not going to ask you again.
Okay.
Step out of the vehicle.
That's all I wanted to know. So you're arresting me?
Step out of the vehicle.
No, I want to know. You're arresting me?
I'm not going to ask you again.
I just need to know if you're... Excuse you? Excuse you? Excuse you? Absolutely not.
Code 10.
Excuse
Code 10.
you? Oh my God!
I just said step out of the vehicle.
Help! How dare you? Oh my God, stop! I'm scared! Oh my God, stop! Help me! Help! Help!
vehicle.
Just please don't touch me. Let me go. Please.
Are you gonna step out of the vehicle? Let's go.
Please don't let me go. Please.
You know what? If I pull you out, you're gonna get hurt.
No. Please.
Are you gonna step out of the vehicle?
Let me go. Don't touch me. Please just let me go.
Put your phone down. Oi! I need help.
Please don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Al, can I just don't fucking touch me. Please don't touch me. Al, look at Al, don't touch me.
Put the phone down. Step out now. If this other officer gets here, we're both grabbing you and pulling you out.
But she literally forced the door
Yes.
open. She forced the door open on me.
Step out. You're gonna pick yourself up for resisting. If you don't do as I say now,
You ripped
there
me
is
out of
no
my car.
exceptions.
You ripped me out of my car.
All right, you've got yourself for resisting. You are gonna go to jail. I'm done. Out. Your husband can come pick up this car. I need you out now. All right, your time's up.
I tried to get out of the car and I can't move.
I'm telling you right now, somebody else comes, you're coming out. All right, you're gonna get ripped out, period. I've asked her to step out of the vehicle multiple times. I can't get her out of the vehicle. She has no driver's license. I want to read her rights back here because I have a feeling she's never been issued one based on what teletype is telling me, but who knows? But I haven't even read her rights.
Can you put me out with the 1101? All right, ma'am. You need to step out of the car. All right? Step out of the car, ma'am. The show's over. Step out of the car. Because you're crying doesn't mean you can't walk.
She ripped me out of my car, sir.
Okay, you're about to get ripped out of the car and thrown on the ground. Get out of the car.
Please have some compassion. I'm a
That has nothing to do with you sitting in a car.
Yes, it does. She touched me and ripped me out for no
Because
reason.
she told you to get out of the car already.
And I asked
And I've
her
told you to get out of the car. Get out of the car. You do what the police say, they won't touch you.
Yeah, okay, fucking.
Step back here by my car, by the motorcycle.
Officer Perry issues an exit command. Under Pennsylvania versus Mimms, 1977, officers may order any driver from the vehicle. During a lawful stop, no justification required. Refusing that command triggers Florida Statute, Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence. A first-degree misdemeanor, refusal alone is enough.
Put your hands behind your back now. You have the right to remain silent. Any things that you say can be used against you in court. You talk to your lawyer. Do you understand your rights? With that in mind, do you wish to speak to me? I'm not going to deal with this smart-ass talk anymore. Yes or no question.
You already ran her?
Yeah.
No license?
Nothing.
We're after your
Never
car.
issued.
Play the game later.
All right.
You want to talk? It's fine. You have a driver's license? That's fine.
Oh, am I
Yeah.
am I answering your questions? I'm sorry. Am I literally, no,
We don't have time.
like,
We're done.
okay.
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, harm me in any way?
You're the quick pediatrics. Like I never had to do it all.
I look at you, I'm like, yo, I need help. I got to get this chick out.
Yeah, I
because
had
she's
no
freaking-
idea. I heard you yell something, and I thought they were phoning me out. I was like, yeah, take it, 1-4, step forward.
Oh.
And I was like, I didn't hear my number, but I...
From the start, she hands me this defensive
It's a DOD.
military, ID. I said, where's your driver's license? I just used that. I said, no, you need a valid driver's license. Oh, well, I switch purses out and stuff. I use this all the time. I said, no, that's not valid.
Did you run out of New York then, right?
Virginia, I ran her out of. The teletype did run her out of Florida as well, and couldn't find her either. I mean, it's a shame because I really, somebody that's
Well, yeah,
husband is.
she doesn't want to, if she is, because it's about to expire. It's like a spouse. Spouse
of somebody.
Yeah, she is a spouse, and I made that clear too.
So your license is expired since 2022. Do you have any other license in any other state?
Massachusetts, I mean, that's
Massachusetts?
probably,
How long have you been living in Florida?
since May.
Since May? Since May of this year? Of last year?
No, this past year.
So 2024 May? And where were you before? Texas or Massachusetts?
No, Virginia.
Virginia? Do you have a Virginia license?
I don't think so.
No? So it's just Texas?
I might have Mass, but for now it's just Texas.
Okay. Yeah, so the Texas one expired in 2022.
Okay, well, I didn't know that.
Where were
I
you
really
after
didn't
that?
know that. I'm sorry, what?
Where were you after 2022?
Hawaii?
Hawaii? Okay, do you have a Hawaii license or no?
No.
You never took that out? So you probably just forgot to take out your license or renew it. That's probably what was going on right now.
We're military, so I don't use that often. I know that sounds bad, and usually Texas is like 5 or 6 years long.
Yeah. Gotcha. So that's what we're looking at right now, okay?
All she did was cut through this right in front of me. Then she tries to lie to me and told me there was 2 other cars
Issued
that
4
did.
years ago, so I don't know if they're still married or she just kept this. I
She
don't know.
was talking to, I think, a spouse on the other line.
Well, I was just wondering what the cause for the stop was.
She's cutting through a lane.
Okay.
Well, a parking lot. Excuse me.
Okay. And then the cause for pulling her out of her vehicle?
Because I asked her to step out of the vehicle and she refused.
For what purpose?
Well, she's going to jail right now because she has no driver's license.
Actually, she does have a driver's license.
From where?
Okay.
Huh?
From where?
From Texas.
It's expired by more than 22 years.
And as a military service member that's also passed on to the spouse, I already have it pulled up on my phone. It's on my bike. It's still valid. You can't use it as an ID, but it's a valid license.
So, but you've been living in Florida since May of last year, correct?
That's correct.
So you can't have a Texas license if you're living in Florida.
That's not true. As I'm an active duty military, yes, we can.
You can't have an expired driver's license by over 6 months. It's a criminal offense. It doesn't matter
It
if you're in the
does.
military. I'm
It
in the
does.
military too.
Then you should know.
It doesn't matter. You can have a license out of another state. That is true.
Yeah.
But you still have to have a valid license.
Has to be
It is
valid.
valid.
Is she deployed right now? No, she's
It
not.
doesn't
That's
matter.
the only
When you're
excuse
state-
to not
I can pull
keep
up
your
the
license
statute
renewed.
to prove
Do
that.
it right now then.
I
I
don't
can
have
tell
to.
you that you still have to have a valid license.
Driver.
They can have a license out of a different state, but they still have to have a valid license.
A bystander raises a real counter-argument. Texas Transportation Code, Section 521.421, automatically extends a Texas license for military spouses stationed outside Texas unless suspended, canceled, or revoked. If that extension applies, her license may still be valid, and the Florida exemption may have covered her after all. Legally substantive, but a question for a court, not a roadside call.
Yeah, to be able to drive.
If you are a military duty member, spouse, or dependent and are stationed outside the state of Texas, not outside the state of the United States, the expiration date of your Texas ID is automatically extended unless your driver's license has been suspended, canceled, or revoked, which it has not.
Okay, where are you guys stationed at?
We're stationed here.
That's not what I'm asking.
You're in the
Where are
Navy,
you
though, right?
stationed at? Are you stationed out of Fort Myers Beach? That's what I'm asking.
Oh, understood. South Fort Myers. Colonial and Fowler.
Are you like a recruiter or something?
On temporary.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was trying to figure out why there would be a station there. I've never heard of that. What statute is that?
That is...
Yeah, but we're looking at 2022. This is 2 years. 3 years, yeah. What am I thinking?
And that's fine, because it doesn't have a time.
Because you've only been, yeah, I don't think so.
And it's DL16P, out of state packet 10, tech 24.
Can I see that?
Of course. The highlighted one. Sorry, adrenaline's got me going, that's why I'm a little shaky.
It's understandable. The problem is when she was asked to step out of the vehicle,
She's got a resisting charge,
she
too.
was
why was she
uncooperative.
asked to step
We don't
out
have
of
to
the
have a
vehicle?
reason other than officer safety. If we're requesting you to step out of the vehicle, you have to step out of the vehicle.
What
If you
was
do
causing
not,
her to feel like you're unsafe?
because right
You guys are the
now
ones with the guns,
she
not
didn't
her.
have a driver's license. She did not have a valid
She
driver's
was looking to
license.
go to jail. So
Which
what
we need
happened?
to interview her to determine whether or not she has a valid driver's
She
license. Okay, but we asked her to step out of the vehicle and she
She doesn't
refused to
have to.
comply.
Yes,
Yes,
she
she does.
Unless you have a
All right,
probable
I'm done.
reason.
You know what? I'm taking
Okay.
her.
That's all right.
and she's
Jack
gonna
will
get
be in touch with
resisting
you guys.
Okay.
It's all right. I'm fine.
What do you want to do with the vehicle? You want to tow it?
I'm going to drive it.
Take it?
Yeah. I'm going to park my vehicle in a secure parking lot, and then I'm going to take the vehicle. If that's all right with y'all. That's good? Okay. All right, thanks, guys.
And I'll look it up. I mean, either way, she refused to get out of the vehicle, so.
Yeah, you got resisting all the way.
I've never heard of that applying to a spouse and having to do with expiration. I know you can keep your driver's license out of another state, but I'm pretty sure you still have to renew it.
But it didn't have a driver's license. That's what it comes
Yeah.
I will. Thanks, guys.
Officer Perry grade B-. Stop, license call, and exit command. All legally correct. Force was proportional. Miranda administered before questioning. Deduction. Escalatory language early on, and skipping a radio check on the Texas extension before physical extraction. Subject grade C+. Real argument, wrong execution. A military ID alone does not satisfy the exemption. Refusing to exit turned a traffic fine into a criminal charge. Comply first. Litigate the defense in court, not on the roadside. 2 takeaways. Know the exact requirements of any exemption you rely on. Half a legal defense is no defense at all. And lawful authority does not excuse skipping de-escalation. Let us know what interaction or legal topic you'd like us to cover next in the comments. Thank you for watching, and check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction and courtroom content.